Okay. Ayan, so let's go. Ayan, so before tayo mag-umpisa sa presentation, usually I want to wish everyone, especially this month of June, every month meron akong wishes para sa inyo. And lagi kong nilalagyan ng meaning usually yung month. So, ngayon ang acronym natin is June, J-U-N-E, dahil nasa buwan tayo ng June. So, I want to wish you to jumpstart this month, meaning initiate your action. Initiate action. Kailangan na tayong mag-step up, no? Huwag na tayong magpatumpik-tumpik pa. Action ka agad. We are on our 6th month of the year, no? So, action ka agad. Work on your day. Work on your mornings seriously para lagi kang kumbaga naka-ready. Yan. And of course, unleash your potential, your strength, your skills. Nako, it's time for you to unleash those potentials. Yan. And navigate. What do you have to navigate? Navigate through challenges, no? Alam po natin that we are in the business na talagang there are a lot of challenges, but we could navigate it if we learn the business well. So manage natin to, we could overcome all these challenges because we are overcomers. And napaka-importante is execute. Okay, so execute your plan, no? Execute, hindi lang execute the plan, but you have to execute effectively. You have to execute efficiently. So, hindi lang yung basta naka-execute ka, no? Dapat ginagawa mo siya ng tama. Ginagawa mo yung plano mo ng tama. So, execute, do the right things in the right order. Oh, narinig niyo yan, doing the right things in the right order. Yan. So, jumpstart, unleash, navigate, execute. Ayan ang wish ko sa inyo for this month of June. Yan, no? Nakalahati na tayo ng buwan. Okay, and syempre sa mga hindi nakakakilala sa akin, magpapakilala lang po ako ng konti. Ayan, para naman makilala nyo ang inyong presenter for today. So, I am your presenter, Maria Jeanette Sajonas. Taga Pangasinan po ako. But I built my career in Baguio City as a telephone operator way back when, no? So, may background tayo sa corporate world. Yan, nagtrabaho tayo sa isang telephone company as a telephone operator and also as a customer service representative. I also ventured sa broadcasting. So I was a former anchor and promotions at Sky TV, sa Sky Cable Baguio. Yan. So sometime in 2000, 2000, ayan, mga 3, ayan, mga ganon. So to that, ngayon, since I am a single mom, no? Yan, so life is difficult in the Philippines, being a single mom, alam niyo naman, and a single mom of 4 yan, no? Yan, so, syempre, mahirap, very scarce ang job, yung ating salary, so I try to venture going to seeking greener pasture, kaya po ako napunta ng Canada. So, from sales and marketing, napunta po tayo dito as a healthcare industry naman, no? Ayan, so currently I am in Toronto. I am in a long-term care dealing with seniors po. So nasa recreation po tayo and I entertain seniors. So para din sila mabata, I entertain them, no? Ayan, so yun yung full-time ko. So bakit ako nandito ngayon? Because I am here with Live Good. I am doing Live Good part-time but with full-time attitude. And the reason why I am doing Live Good because at my age, no, 54 na, it is high time for me naman to work on my retirement. Diba? So, hindi tayo laging malakas. We are not getting any younger. So, it's high time. Actually, late na nga po tayo no? So, I have this sense of urgency na nakita ko sa Live Good na, yes, this is the pathway, this is the vehicle na pwede akong mag-create ng aking solid residual income for my retirement, at the same time building my legacy. Yan. So currently, I am in platinum rank and syempre, running hard for diamond, no? And today, kaya po ako andito ngayon because I am beyond excited, no? Para i-share po sa inyo ang nakita ko sa Live Good. Yan. And I hope you will listen and you will just be so open-minded to see this opportunity, no? You will be seeing this industry. Yes, it is in a network marketing industry, but Live Good has its new way of introducing this industry. Kaya po, nako po, whatever you know sa ganitong industriya, iwanan nyo po muna dahil ngayon, makikita nyo po siya sa ibang mukha, in a different light, in a different face, at saka in a different model. And I'm just so excited. So, let's deep dive na po dito sa opportunity na to. Ayan. So, sino nga ba si Live Good? Alam niyo po ba na si Live Good is the company that created a great disruption in the market? Bakit great disruption? Janet, negative yata yan, great disruption. No po, pag kinonect niyo po ang word na disruption or to disrupt, ang ibig sabihin yan is creating a drastic change. Powerful and intense. Kaya, pag sinabi mong Live Good, the great disruption that shock an industry, it is actually more on innovation. No? Dinisrupt niya in a different way, in a different light ang industriyang ito na actually no one has seen it coming. Yan. And also, I would like to welcome you sa company na to. It is actually the membership that pays. Oh, ayan, na-curious ba kayo? Ano kaya ibig sabihin yan? Welcome to the membership that pays. Mamaya, malalaman niyo po as we go along. Ayan. So, alam niyo po ba na for the first time in almost 100 years, the industry of network marketing has just experienced a major disruption. Itong disruption na to, no? A disruption, nobody saw it coming, a disruption that shocked this industry. And bakit napaka-importante ang timing? Because alam niyo po yung ating corporate team, they watch what's going on with the market. It happened in the perfect time kung saan yung mga consumers are moving away from expensive things and they are moving towards affordability and value. So, with the presence of social media, no? Syempre, kahit tayo, wise buyer tayo, especially during the pandemic, no? So, alin ba dito ang mas mura? Alin ang mas affordable? Because of social media, napakadali na nating i-trace. So, ang mga consumers, syempre, hindi po ako exempted dyan, no? Ang mga consumers, hinahanap na kung alin ang mas mura. Naging bargain hunters po tayo. And it happened in a perfect time kasi yung traditional model, MLM model, no, hindi na siya kumbaga naka-align sa nangyayari sa economy. Why? Because the old model, no, 95% of people don't make money anymore in network marketing. 95% ha? So ibig sabihin 5% lang ng industriyang to ang kumikita. And because people are sick and tired of paying for expensive products every month. Bakit? Kasi yung traditional model, usually ano ba yung, kahit na magkakaiba yung kanilang marketing plan, isa yung dinadaanan, isa yung model, yung traditional model na you have to purchase monthly, naka-auto debit, may auto ship, and then may required volumes ka every month. So, people are sick and tired of paying those expensive products every month. So, ang nangyayari, mataas ang attrition, most people quit this industry on average of 2.8 months. Why? Because it is hurting them. It is hurting a single mom na kung saan gusto lang naman niyang magkaroon ng extra income. So, yun ang nakita nila. So, yung timing talagang perfect na perfect dahil nung nakita ng ating corporate team yon, then sabi nila, ano ba ang trend ngayon? Saan ba pumupunta yung mga tao ngayon, yung mga consumers? And they found out na, no, everyone is resorting sa membership. Yan. So welcome to the revolution kung saan ang sabi ng ating Director of Field Development na si Noder Kasan, sabi niya, the days of selling overpriced products just so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are finally over. So wala tayong pag-uusapan dito na overpriced products, wala tayong pag-uusapan dito na price gouging. Yan. And of course, I would like to introduce to you Live Good. Diba? Napakaganda. Live Good. Very positive. Sa pangalan pa lang, Live Good. Mabuhay ka ng tama, magandang buhay. Or pwede rin sabihin natin na live and get out of debt. Diba? Napaka-positive. No? So, sino nga ba si Live Good? Live Good is the first to market membership club in network marketing. It is a subscription model, the company that decided to fix the broken network marketing model. And Live Good is the membership that pays. So, himay-himayin natin to, no? The first to market membership club. Familiar kayo sa membership club. And I'm sure familiar kayo dun sa word na membership. Actually, ano na yan, hindi na bago yan. Subscription model. Yan. So sa membership club, alam nyo ang membership club sa gym, alam nyo ang membership club sa mga travel companies, alam nyo ang ano pa, maraming mga membership, alam nyo po ba na pati yung inyong bill or inyong city services pwede natin tawagin na membership yan or subscription. Kasi every month binabayaran natin. And usually, ano nangyayari pag hindi mo binayaran yung iyong membership or yung subscription mo? Hindi ba na-disrupt yung iyong connection or yung iyong plan, di ba? So, yun din ang merong similarity dito no, sa i-introduce ko ngayon. And of course, bukod doon, no, yung ating membership, kung makikita ninyo bakit pinili natin ang membership, tignan nyo na lang yung inyong app store. Ilang membership or ilang subscription companies ang andyan? Bakit pinili nila na membership ang model or a subscription model o subscription-based ang ating model? It is because the membership club companies or subscription model companies are on upward trajectory. So, it is on the rise. People are resorting to membership dahil ano ba ang benefit usually ng membership? You have savings, you have discounts, merong exclusivities, merong freebies. Ang dami dyan. Alam nyo ba na pati ang ngayon, car wash, subscription-based na rin. Alam nyo ba na pati yung printer, under subscription na rin, no? So, I could say that kasi yung aking printer naka-subscribe every month. I pay $5 a month. Ngayon, nakatimbre yan dun sa company, sa HP. Pag low na yung ink ko, before na maubos, dinideliver na nila yung aking ink, yung replacement ink, no? I am paying $5 a month. So, ano ang convenience ko doon? Bukod dun sa savings, $5, it won't hurt me. I could print 50 pages a month. So, ano ang convenience ko doon? Hindi na ako pumupunta from one store to another para maghanap ng ink. Depende pa yon sa model ng printer. So, it saves me time. It saves me money. Kasi, syempre, magko-commute ka, maghahanap ka from one shop to another. So, yun ang advantage ng mga subscription model, no? Na companies, no? Actually, this one, pwede kong sabihin na this is a subscription model. Yung ginagamit natin ngayon, Zoom, na sinusubscribe ni Coach Fernan monthly. Although there is a free one, pero ang nangyayari doon, you don't get so much benefit. Every 45 minutes, kung hindi sinubscribe ni Coach Fernando, putol na tayo. Diba? Ngayon, since this is under subscription, it can accommodate 1,000 participants and unlimited yung hours na pwede tayong mag-connect, pwede tayong mag-usap virtually. Diba? Yun ang power ng subscription. So, nakita ng ating corporate team na talagang ito na yung trending. Actually, ito yung need ng consumer. Hindi lang trending, no? Kasi sabi nga, kung gusto mong mag-flourish yung business mo, gusto mong mag-thrive, dapat naka-align sa gusto ng consumer. At ang gusto niya, savings. Ang gusto niya is discount. So, talagang in ang membership model. Yan, okay. And it is also made to fix the broken network marketing model. The sick care model. Ano ba yung sick care model na yan ng traditional MLM? Nakafocus na po kasi tayo sa recruitment, nakafocus sa volumes, nakafocus sa driving the sales. So nawawala talaga yung essence ng ganitong industriya, which is support, empowerment, wellness. Yan. So yun ang sick care model na inaayos ng LiveGood. And again, it is the membership that pays. Ayan. And ang maganda sa company natin is, ano pa? Wala tayong auto-ship. Monthly auto-ship. Sounds familiar? Diba? Yung bang tipong every month, kararating lang ng products mo, pag tingin mo after 1 week na auto-debit na yung card mo, merong on the way uli na panibagong products mo, no? Now, with LiveGood, wala tayong pag-uusapang auto-ships. Our products, nako po, we could order what we want, when you need it. And, alam nyo ba na ang mga products natin at almost cost price. Very lean ang profit. No chasing ranks and volume every month ang mga products natin. Walang point value. Walang SB, BV, PV, ano ka mang dyan, wala po. And we don't start from zero every month dahil nga wala tayong point value. No? No paying of thousands to get started. So wala tayong heavy entry packs. Wala tayong package na nilagay lang na package kahit na hindi mo din kailangan. And if you will understand this concept of LiveGood, you will never quit on this membership club. That I assure you. Although, sabi ko po, kung naintindihan mo, pero kung hindi mo naintindihan, the easiest thing for you to do is to quit. No? So, kailangan intindihin po natin. Yan. Okay. So, syempre, napaka-importante no, na kailangan nyo pong ma-meet who are the people behind this company, our corporate team, or we can call them the disruptors. So you have to meet the disruptors or our leaders, the corporate team, kasi everything rise and fall on leadership. So kung mahina ang leadership, ano nangyayari? Syempre, magpa-crumble yung company. Ano ang nangyayari? Hindi magiging successful din. Yung domino effect yan eh. Yung mga distributors. So you have to know them. Okay, so let's start off with the brainchild of the company, Mr. Ben Glinsky, the CEO and founder of LiveGood. He runs a lot of companies. He is an expert on compensation plan. So he is also a consultant, an IT guy. And the reason why I joined LiveGood dahil sa kanya, because he has a heart. He makes people win, no? Meron siyang, I joined his company before and alam ko kung paano siya magpalakad ng company. I have experienced his headship, his leadership. Pagdating sa payout, naku po, wala, never ever na nagkaroon kami ng delay sa payout po namin. So, with that headship, with that leadership, naku po, talaga namang saludo ako kay Sir Ben, no? Now, during the time na meron siyang company na dati, no, doon niya nakita na, sabi niya, he's observing, syempre, yung takbo ng business, doon niya nakita na only 1 to 2% of the distributors in this industry ang nag-earn ng nasa $3,000 to $5,000. And then, 4% of the distributors in this industry, average nasa $300 to $500 per month ang kita nila. So sabi niya, saan napunta yung 95% ng mga distributors sa ganitong industriya? He found out that 95% of the distributors in this industry are not earning. Ang worst, nag-aabono pa sila because of the traditional model na yun nga, may point value and then yung price gouging kasi nga in-expose din niya ng isang product pag minanufacture mo, nagre-range lang yan ng $8 to $12 per product. Pero pag pinasok mo siya sa ganitong industriya, sa old model, I'm talking about the old model, no? So, nagre-range siya ng times 10, nagma-markup siya ng times 10 to times 12. So, ano nangyayari? It is hurting people. It is hurting a single mom na gusto lang namang kumita ng extra income. So, sabi niya, oh, this is hurting people. Hindi ito yung concept ng network marketing na gusto nating ibigay sa mga distributors. Sinasabi natin, build your network in 2 to 3 years and then you will have your solid residual income. But it's not happening dahil nga hindi nila maabot yung presyo. Sabi niya, I tried to work on the comp plan pero hindi pa rin kaya. So since he knew na it is hurting people, sabi niya, this is not right. So he retired from this industry. Pero hindi po niya iniwan yung kanyang mga distributors. Since consultant siya, he collaborated with another company who's still doing the traditional M&M to make sure that the distributors, his distributors, are well taken care of. So, ano masasabi mo pag ganyan ang iyong CEO? 'Di ba? He has a heart dahil siya mismo was a network marketer himself. Yan. So, doon ako humanga sa kanya. Kaya nung narinig ko ang Live Good, hindi ko pa naintindihan. Nung sinabi lang niya na, hi, this is Ben Glinsky. Naku po, si Ben Glinsky to. So, I joined right away. No? Yan. So, after 6 years, pinag-uusapan, actually, even before 6 years, pinag-uusapan nila na dapat may gumawa ng concept na ganito, na parang Costco style, na parang Amazon style. Yeah, someone has to do it. Until finally, nung nagkausap sila ni Noder Kazan, sa kaka-brainstorm nila, yun, come on, let's do this. Nagplano sila. And then, yan, kinuha nila yung concept ng mga membership club. Yan. So, yun yung kwento, no? Napaaga yung story time natin. So, with Noder Kazan, who is the Director of Field Development na ngayon, no? Director of Field Development, no? The legend of network marketing. So, ang experience nila, pag kinumbine mo, 25, roughly mga 50 years, 40 to 50 years. So, ang maganda dyan, no? So, since experience sila, alam na nila kung ano yung problema ng ganitong industriya. Alam na nila, no? Kung ano yung mga challenges ng ating mga distributors, no? Yan, so we could be rest assured na the way they made this membership club, nako po, talagang pro-distributor siya. Win-win. Win ang company, win ang distributors, no? And of course, with the passion naman of Lisa and Dr. Ryan Goodkin, nako po, ang ating si Lisa is the Director of Product Education. Siya po yung responsible when it comes to healthy diet, when it comes to healthy living, when it comes to itatanong mo ano ba yung magandang ipasok ko sa katawan mo, ano ba yung tama, no? Yan, so when you speak of Lisa, he breathe and speak wellness and health, no? So may background siya, meron siyang degree sa science, sa exercise and physiology, yan. And then may background, may degree din siya sa science and nutrition. Yan. And of course, with her husband, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, no, who has a doctorate degree naman ng pharmacy, at the same time, meron din siyang background sa science and nutrition, a master's degree sa science and nutrition. Plus, he has a unique background being a pharmacist and a natural health practitioner. And ang passion niya, yung pag-formulate ng products, sabi niya, I formulate products for my family to use and I am sharing it with you. Ayan. So, syempre, pag ganun ang sinabi niya, yung passion niya na pag ginagawa for the family, syempre, we could be rest assured that it is safe, it is herbicide-free, it is toxin-free, chemical-free. No? Yan, dahil si Dr. Ryan, kilala niya ang mga farmers, alam niya kung saan or paano ine-extract ang isang ingredient, alam niya kung saan hina-harvest yung mga ingredient na ilalagay sa product natin. So, with this kind of corporate team, we could be rest assured that we are in good hands. And I am taking the time to discuss the corporate team para ma-establish sa inyo, para alam nyo na very passionate, at saka mission-driven ang ating corporate team. Their mission is to get everyone healthy and to stay healthy without spending a fortune to do it. Yan. Yun ang mission po nila, no? Yan. So we could be rest assured that we are in good hands. No hiding in the bushes, very hands-on, very visible. Yan. Okay? Yan. So, si Live Good in the launch ng December 2022 in Jupiter, Florida. And we have more than 1 million members. At alam nyo ba na nakuha natin yung 1 million members na yan on our 13 months. And never, ever, ever in the history of network marketing na nagkaroon ng 1 million members on its first year. At si Amazon, na naging model natin o yung sinundan nating platform, alam nyo ba na nakuha niya ang 1 million members niya on its second year? So anong ibig sabihin nun? Ibig sabihin nun na there must be something good with Live Good. And Live Good rock this industry. O, di ba? Yan. So, up to date, we have 1.3 million members and we are rapidly growing. At alam nyo ba kung ilan ang nagsasign up every single day worldwide? 2,000 members every single day. Diba? Oh, yan. And of course, syempre, very powerful din ang ating membership club, ano? Okay, so i-breakdown lang natin or i-compare lang natin yung mga existing na membership clubs or subscription-based model na alam niyo, no? Okay, so nakikita niyo dyan, we have YouTube, we have Amazon Prime, we have Netflix. I assume familiar po kayo sa mga to, no? Ng mga companies, Sam's and Costco, Disney Channel, yan. So, ano ang common sa mga yan? They are all subscription-based. We paid monthly or yearly. No? Ano ang benefit natin? YouTube, talagang unlimited ng pag naka-YouTube Pro ka, unlimited downloading, walang commercial. Pag Amazon Prime, member din ako dyan, you get same-day delivery, meron kang discount, may freebie ka, may credits ka pa na pwede kang maka-download ng mga books, no? Audible, ang tag dito, yung mga audiobooks, no? Yan. And Netflix, nako, ito membership club or subscription-based company kung saan meron kang you could watch variety of movies at the convenience of your home. No? Ayan. So, Sam's Club, Costco, I'm a member of Costco, mga wholesale club lang yan. No? And wholesale club kung saan you get a huge discount whenever you go there. I am a member of Costco for 8 years. And I will never give up on my Costco membership. Bakit? Kasi yung binabayad ko na 120 per year, naku po, sulit na sulit yan as compared sa mga nakukuha kong huge discount sa Costco. And sa Disney Channel, similar din sa Netflix kung saan you also can watch a variety of movies. Ang pagkakaiba lang is ang pinapakita sa Disney Channel or yan, Disney Plus are those movies na produce ni Disney. Yan. So look at the numbers, no? You are talking about million members. So doon mo na makikita yung sinabi ko kanina that membership club model companies or subscription-based model companies are in upward trajectory. Meaning, subscription-based companies are the future of commerce. Doon na pupunta ngayon ang market, no? Dito sa dito sa business na to, no, naka-align lahat. So, asahan niyo po na everyone will be resorting to membership. Dahil tayo, di ba, ayaw natin pinagbebentahan, gusto natin lagi savings, no? Yan, so 30 million members, 200 million members, 232 million members, 47 million members. Ayan, puro million ang usapan natin dyan and this speaks volume. No? Ayan, so si Live Good ilan? 1.3 members pa lang kasi nasa first year. So, sa tingin nyo, saan ang future natin? Diyan din papunta. And the good news is, we will be the Amazon of network marketing. Kasi we are a membership club, no? So we could put any product under this membership model ng Live Good. Ngayon, ang kaibahan dun sa mga binanggit ko, si Live Good pays us. Kaya nga natin sinabi na Live Good is the membership that pays. If you notice, yung mga binanggit natin dyan, binabayaran po ba kayo? Yes, you get the benefits, you get the discounts. Maybe you could get some exclusivities, but they don't pay you, right? But with Live Good will pay us, no? It will not only give savings, but it will pay us. Kaya ngayon, actually, you are in a triple win. Bakit? You will get to discover how to save money, how to be healthy, and how to earn money. Ayan. So, ano pa lang tayo? Nagwa-warm up pa lang tayo, no? Eto na. Okay. So, familiar kayo sa Amazon. Binanggit ko po kanina. Lahat po siguro kayo, alam nyo si Amazon, kung paano siya nag-umpisa. In 1995, in his own backyard. Saan po siya nag-umpisa? Selling books. And then came early 2000, he went well beyond books. No, he went into clothings, nag-introduce siya ng mga products na iba, clothings, household items, gadgets, ano pa. And where is Amazon today? He sells anything, everything under the sun. Pag nag-type ka ng item, unang i-redirect sa'yo, Amazon. So, doon tayo papunta. Si Amazon nag-umpisa sa books, si Live Good nag-umpisa sa wellness products. Bakit? Because nakita ng ating corporate team that the world is so sick. The world is not conscious anymore about their health. Mahilig tayo sa fast food, no? So, wala na tayong pakialam kung ano yung pinapasok natin sa katawan natin. And napaka-importante, especially during the pandemic, no? Yan. So, remember, health is wealth. Health is not a passing trend. Ibig sabihin, hindi porke uso, doon ka lang magpapaka-healthy. Health is a commitment to yourself and it is non-negotiable. Pag sinabing non-negotiable, kailangan mong mag-supplement even if you think that you are healthy. Hindi natin alam kung anong meron sa environment natin. All we know, you have to be healthy and stay healthy. The good news is we already have an access na talagang affordable, yet with highest quality. Why? Because we have the purest, most natural ingredients and it is manufactured sa world-class facilities from the most pristine locations. Pristine, flawless, ibig sabihin flawless is spotless. And our products, naku naman, they are made in the USA, certified by the GMP, Good Manufacturing Product or Good Manufacturing Process, Practice, and USDA approved. Ayan, napaka-importante po yan ha. Hindi lang basta-basta yan. Pag GMP certified ka, ibig sabihin nakapag-comply ka sa 5 components. Yung pagka-process ng products, yung products per se, yan. Dapat, ano yan, malinis, toxic-free, chemical-free, yan. No? So products, people, dapat hindi lang qualified, kundi highly qualified. Yan. And of course, ano pa, yung ating premises dapat malinis. Yan. And the processes and procedures dapat sinusunod yan ng maayos or kung may deviation dun sa procedure, recorded ba? So since certified tayo ng GMP, meaning nakapag-comply tayo sa mga components na yon. And our products are lab tested for purity and potency dahil meron tayong certificate of analysis. Ano ang relevance ng certificate of analysis? It made sure na yung user or consumer has met the specific need nila. So, ibig sabihin na yung certificate of analysis na yan, no? Andyan lahat yung mga ingredients plus kung ilan ang amount. Very transparent tayo. Wala tayong proprietary blend. Ano ibig sabihin nun? Hindi natin tinatago ang mga ingredients and how they are formulated. In fact, sabi ni Ben, okay, you want to copy our products? Here is the recipe. hindi siya natatakot na ma-reformulate, ma-duplicate. Because alam niya na hindi kayang ibigay ng ibang company yung kagaya ng presyo niya. Yun. Okay? Yung mga iba may proprietary blend kasi daw baka ma-copy, baka ma-duplicate, baka ma-reformulate, kaya meron silang secrecy. Pero si Ben, sabi niya, yun ang mission natin. That's our mission. So, you could just, it's good kung marami tayong gumagawa niya, sabi niya. But the thing is, hindi lahat mag-reformulate ng ganun or maybe mag-reformulate pero hindi sa ganung presyo. O, di ba? So, ano ang bentahin natin? What is the key points? What are the key points of the product that we have? We have the highest quality and the lowest price. Tatandaan nyo yan, highest quality and lowest price. At alam nyo po ba, yung USDA approval natin, for you to note, no? Hindi po per product, per ingredient ng nasa product. So halimbawa, yung super greens, merong ashwagandha, merong aloe vera, merong moringa, merong ano pa yung andyan, no? Dandelion. Every product, no, I'm sorry, every ingredient dapat USDA certified siya, hindi lang yung buong product. Kaya sa paglabas ng mga products natin, hindi siya kaagad-agad lumalabas kasi they want to make sure na USDA approved tayo. And naku po, pag pinakita niya sa mga doctors, I have a best friend doctor, nung nakita niya na may certificate of analysis, talagang naku, sabi niya, I could shift my brand. I am using another product pero mukhang maganda ito. So, no hiding in the bushes. Again, very transparent po tayo. And the good news is we have the 90-day money back, empty bottle money back guarantee. If you feel na hindi ka-satisfied sa product, walang ginawang maganda sa'yo, or maybe wala kang na-feel na improvement sa health mo, sabi ni Ben, we don't want to take your money. You could just return the empty bottle and then we'll refund your payment. No questions asked. O, saan kayo nakakita ng ganyan na company, di ba? Salamat, Ma'am Juvie. Talagang pinapalakpakan yan, di ba? Ayan, sabi ni Sir Edwin, sarap gumamit ng product. Yan, di ba? Yan, sa atin, ano, affordable. Sa iba, talagang masarap gumamit ng product. Pero mahal, pero with Live Good, naku po, affordable. Yan. So, uulitin ko, our products, wellness, we started our products sa wellness products. No? Ang products natin, nag-umpisa sa wellness products, pero hindi tayo wellness company. We are not a coffee company. We are not a CBD oil company. We are not a coffee company, a collagen company. We are a membership. Okay? Tatandaan niyo po yan. And bukod dun sa wellness products, again, we could put anything from any industry sa membership club natin. We could put travel industry, we could put crypto industry, we could put ano pa, anything, clothing, household cleaners, lahat-lahat na. Nag-umpisa lang tayo sa wellness products kasi we have to prioritize our health. We have to think of health before even thinking about making money. Yan. So yun ang gusto kong establish. Why? So para mas ma-appreciate niyo yung ating mga product, no? Ayan, so magbabanggit tayo ng ilang product plus a little information about them. So we have the CBD Pain Relief Cream. Maganda po ito for our sa mga chronic pains, sakit-sakit dyan, no? Ayan, so ano ang main ingredient niyan? Cannabidiol, no? So sa family ng cannabis, no? Ayan, so ang ginamit natin is hemp plant, hindi po marijuana. Pag sinabi natin cannabis, it could be marijuana, it could be hemp plant, pero ginamit natin is hemp plant kasi mas mababa ang THC content niya. Okay? And napakaganda po nito, especially sa mga pain, sa mga ano pa, lahat, ano pa yung binanggit ni any kind of pain, maganda siya, no? Yan. And of course, number 2, we have the patches, energy patches, focus patches. Yan, energy and focus patches. So, maganda po ito. It has its natural blend. Ang effect po niya is like 30 minutes. So, ang nangyayari is when you put that patch, hindi ko na ilagay yung aking patch, no? So, mafe-feel mo yung energy, yung energy na natural ha, natural no, feel mo, hindi yung biglang lalakas ka, no. It would come naturally, pero malalamdaman mo na you would feel that all day energy for 8 hours, no? Nilalagay lang siya, it's a patch, nilalagay mo lang siya sa wrist mo or any part na less ang hair. So, pwede sa shoulder, pwede sa hips, pwede sa ankle. Yan. And of course, we have the sleep patches. Kung ikaw naman ay hindi ang tawag ng makatulog-tulog, then you could have or you could use the sleep patches. Yan. We have collagen peptides, the very, naku po, amazing product ang ating collagen peptides. You know that we have our own collagen, right? Yung ating natural collagen. But as we age, actually as early as 25, no? Nag-uumpisa nang nagdi-deplete yung collagen natin. Kaya the earlier na mag-supplement tayo ng collagen, the better. Kasi kung depleted ang ating collagen, ano ang nangyayari? Sagging skin, brittle nails, falling hair. Tapos, as we age, pag late na, naku po, ano pa, yung ating mga joints, di ba? Brittle bones. Yan. Now, ang maganda sa collagen natin, it is hydrolyzed. So, pag hydrolyze siya, madaling i-absorb ng katawan. And, ito pa, bakit peptides? Kasi ang collagen, hindi siya pinakain ng buo. Dapat it should be broken down into amino acids. And ang good news is, ang ginamit natin sa collagen, no? Bovine source siya. So, type 1 and type 3, which is the type of collagen na bovine source. Bovine nang galing sa beef. Bakit hindi chicken? Bakit hindi fish? Kasi 27 o 28 types ng collagen yan eh. Merong marine collagen, may chicken collagen, pero hindi yun ang ginamit natin. We use the bovine collagen. Bakit? Ano ang rationale nun? Kasi yun ang malapit sa human collagen. Okay? So, pag tinatanong kayo, bakit? Pag piloso po yung kausap nyo, yun ang sabihin nyo. Dahil bovine source siya, dahil yun ang malapit sa human collagen. Kasi, yun nga, may natural na collagen tayo, right? Yan. Okay, so very potent ang bovine collagen, kaya yun ang ginamit. Okay, the type 1 and type 3. Okay, next product, methylene blue nootropic dissolving strips. Para saan yan? Sa cognitive function, sa brain health, for energy booster. Bakit natin kailangan yan? Dahil alam nyo ba na ngayon, bukod sa bumababa yung lifespan, alam nyo ba na as early as 40 plus, pwede ka nang magka-dementia. So, nagkakaroon tayo ng memory lapses. Bakit? Masyado tayong exposed sa radiation, especially now, nasa 5G na tayo. Hindi nyo nararamdaman, no? While maganda ang technology, dahil na-advance nga, pati nalalaman natin, kaya lang kung minsan nasa-sacrifice yung ating katawan. So, we need to supplements. We need to strengthen our immune system because the best doctor is still our body. And in order to function, yung body mo nang properly, you have to have a strong immune system. And you can only do that when you supplement yourself. Diba? Kailangan natin talaga ng supplementation. Again, it's non-negotiable. So, itong methylene blue, maganda ito for brain. Ito, yung sa mitochondria cell, ang talagang target niya because it is the powerhouse cell. Yung mitochondria cell, yan, kaya pag yung mga iba nakakainom ng cyanide, nagsha-shutdown kaagad yung mitochondria cell. So, yan ang binibuild ng ating methylene blue for us to have energy at para ma-recharge tayo. It's dissolving strips, nilalagay under the tongue, o kung ayaw nyo naman, pwede namang i-dilute mo sa tubig and then use a straw para hindi mag-blue. Every other day, and then magpa-araw ka, use it in the morning and then magpa-araw ka. Yan. Maganda yan. Masama pakiramdam nyo. Pag alam nyo, ako, ganun ang ginagamit ko pag medyo natatrangkaso na ako. Yan. Okay, so we have creatine plus HMB. Creatine, okay? Iba yung creatinine. This is creatine plus HMB. So maganda po ito for muscle recovery. Yan. So as we age, we lose muscle. So maganda po ito for us to recover our muscles. Yan. And to build muscle. So muscle building and muscle recovery. Ginagamit po yan, mapababae, mapalalaki. And of course, brain health din, energy booster din. Okay, yan. So, eto, essential oils. Familiar naman kayo dyan. I'm pretty sure nagpapamasahe kayo. Meron dyan sa spa, di ba? May mga naaamoy kayong mabango, o di ba? Essential oils po yun. Ang essential oils naman, it triggers our hormone. Yan. Okay, so alam niyo ba na ang hormone is our messenger cell? Siya yung responsible na pag nakakaamoy ka ng, like, even if you're hungry, may hunger hormone tayo, may happy hormone tayo. So our hormones are, siya yung nagsisignal, no, na pag it would change your mood. Pag gutom ka, ang hunger hormone mo ang magdidictate. Pag naiiyak ka na o natutuwa ka, it must be your happy hormone. Yan. So ito, pag ang essential oils natin, you could use it aromatically. Yun yung pag may naamoy ka, nilagay mo siya sa diffuser, i-dilute mo, and then pag naamoy mo yun, dahil syempre, nagaano ng scent, no, sa buong room, it could change your mood. It could also relieve kung meron kang migraine, kung meron kang anxiety, basta it would give you as a good mood. Yan, for relaxation, depende yan kung anong scent, no? Yan, merong lemon, merong lavender, iba-iba ang function po niyan. So aromatical, topical, pwede ding gamitin, pero make sure that you read the labels kasi highly concentrated, kailangan ng carrier oil. And of course, pwedeng oral din yan, no? Very, very minimal. Pwede din natin gawin siya na parang isama, parang mouthwash. Pwede din gawin sa laundry. Yan. Ang daming multitude of, ang daming benefits ng essential oils. Multitude of benefits, no? Yan, kaya nga merong book na Hormone Bliss, no? Actually, pwede mo pang gamitin yan. May mga recipe yan. Yan. Okay, so eto pa, lean. Of course, yung lean BCIF. Lean BCIF. BCIF stands for Body Composition Improved Formula. Ang concentration nito, not for weight loss, but for body composition. It made sure na ito mag-burn ka ng fats without losing your muscles. No? So, ang goal nito, for body composition. At napaka-powerful ng mga ingredients nito. Remember the company na tinayo ni Ben noon? Yung 3 ingredients na andon, kasi iisa lang ang product namin doon, skinny fiber. No? Iisa lang ang product namin doon. So, merong powerful ingredients yun na 3 nilagay sa lean. Plus, dinagdagan pa ni Dr. Ryan ng another 2. Talagang very amazing. Naku po, ang testimony ko dyan, grabe. Like, I lost like around 1 month, 10 pounds. And then yung anak ko, tuwan-tuwa siya. Kasi sabi niya, ayaw niya maniwala sa akin nung una, not until, you know, nakita niya yung aking TikTok. Sabi niya, Mama, pumayat ka na. So sabi niya, gusto niya subukan. And now, she is very happy kasi nag-lose na daw siya ng 7 pounds more or less. So, the best talaga, if you try the product, you have to be the product of the product. Yan. Okay. Nako, exciting to. Yan. And tignan nyo ang quality seals niya. Tignan nyo ang price comparison niya. Naku po, $19.95. Yung dating product, dun sa dating company na sinabi ko ulit, alam niyo po ba kung magkano yun? That was like 2016, year 2016. Alam niyo kung magkano? $69 per bottle. 2016 pa yun, 16 or 17. Ito, asa na tayo, 2024. 1995 lang, tapos 180 capsules pa. Saan ka pa, di ba? Ay, nako, very powerful. Plus, ito, another product. Yan, Children's Multivitamin, very organic citrus flavor gummies. Maganda po ito. Why? Kasi ang multivitamin na to, USDA certified, andyan ang essential vitamins. It supports brain development na kailangan ng ating mga anak, apo, pamangkin, no? Yung mga bata. And then, may vitamin C and zinc for immune support. Alam niyo po, dahil din sa radiation, dahil sa free radicals, dahil sa hindi natin alam kung anong meron sa environment ngayon, madali ding magkasakit ang mga bata. So, kailangan natin silang i-supplement ng ganitong multivitamin, especially the vitamin C and zinc for immune support na meron itong multivitamin natin. Okay, another product, chocolate, whey protein isolate, no, with colostrum. Maganda ito for the gut, no? Very easy na i-digest, chocolate flavored pa. Yan. And of course, nako, pinakabagong product sa ating mga kababaihan, hormonal balance for women. Bakit namin kailangan to? Kasi po, as we mature or as we age, meron po kami pinagdadaan ng stage kung saan hindi namin ma-explain, bigla na lang kami naiiyak o bigla na lang kaming bugnutin. It must be the hormones. Nagkakaroon po kami ng hormonal changes. So, kailangan po namin ng supplement na ganito. And don't worry po, gentlemen. Meron din pong paparating na hormonal balance for men. Okay, so I'm pretty sure na excite naman na kayo, no, sa mga products. Actually, hindi natin hindi natin diniscuss yung 30 products, no? Yan. So, para lang makita nyo kung gaano kaganda yung products natin and products na kailangan natin, hindi yung products na basta nilagay lang na products. Oh, you could order the products as consumer or members price. So, sa consumer, syempre, you pay the retail low price, pero so members, you will pay even lower prices. So, alin ang gusto mo? Maging consumer or maging member? Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Diba? And of course, as Live Good members, you save up to 75% when compared to other companies. Ibig sabihin, pag kinumpara mo yung mga products natin, nakakasave tayo ng 75%, meaning a dollar saved is a dollar earned. Meaning, pag yan ang na-save mo, pwede mong gamitin yung savings mo to buy other items or maybe mga bagay na mas kailangan mo. So either bumili ka ng additional product or kung wala ka naman ng bibilin dito sa Live Good, then gamitin mo yung na-save mo sa ibang mga kailangan mo. Right? Yan. Kaya sinabi ko po na a dollar save is a dollar earned. Ngayon, para maniwala po kayo na nakakasave tayo ng 75% when compared to other companies, mag-price compare tayo. Essential oils, $49.95. Sa ibang company or competitor natin, $209 and $252, a savings of 79 and 80%. Okay? Yan. So, ating super greens na naman, napaka very powerful, compact siya. Andyan na lahat ng greens na maisipan mo. Wheatgrass, dandelion, ano pa, ashwagandha, aloe vera, moringa, spirulina, and so many more for only $18. Pag kinumpare mo sa ating competitors, $70 and $99 or $100. Making us save ng 74% to 82%. We have the collagen, $28 versus $70 and $80. Ilan ang savings natin? No? Ayan, 60 to 70%. Yan, creatine, na-discuss na natin yan kanina, $19.95 versus $65 and $49. Magkano ang savings natin? Nagre-range ng 60, and then yung isa, ayan, 60 for 59% din. So, grabe ang ating savings, no? Yan, and we also have, so, if you are in doubt, no, na itong data dito, you could go online, i-check nyo po. Hanapin nyo po yung mga products na andoon for you to validate yung present kong data dito. Ito naman, no? So, done na tayo when we compare it sa ibang company. Tayo naman mag-compare ngayon sa member and retail price. Okay, so multivitamin for women, $9.95 lang. Ang members price versus $15. Yan, so $6 savings. Multivitamin for men, $9.95 versus $14.95 din, $6, di ba? Ayan, so bakit, Janet, magkaiba ang vitamin uli ng men and women? Because we have different physiological need. Ang lalaki kailangan ng selenium for their prostate health at ang babae kailangan ng more iron to compensate their menstrual losses. Ayan. So coffee, magkano? 18 point, sabihin na i-round off natin, $18 versus $25 pag retail price. Ilan ang savings? Yan, kayo na ang mag-compute niyan. More or less, mga $7 yan, no? Organic yung coffee natin, the cleanest coffee. Alam nyo ba na coffee is the dirtiest product in the planet? Kasi sa pagpaprocess, Yung coffee beans, nasasama yung mold, ang daming toxins, ang daming chemicals. Now, with Live Good organic coffee, mushroom coffee, we could be rest assured that it is clean, it is the purest, high quality, the cleanest, toxic-free, chemical-free, herbicides-free, pesticides-free. Kaya, if you think of coffee, if you think about drinking coffee, don't just drink any other coffee. Don't just drink an ordinary coffee. Drink our Live Good organic coffee. Yan. So, magnesium, ultra magnesium complex, responsible for 300 chemical reactions sa katawan natin. Only 8.95 pag members price and $15 pag retail price. Napaka-importante ang ultra magnesium dahil po kung kulang ka dyan, then it would lead you to serious diseases like, ang dami niyan, diabetes, high blood pressure, cardiovascular health, anxiety, at kung ano-ano pa. So, it is a must na magkaroon kayo ng ultra magnesium complex. Ayan. So, ito, CBD oil for pets, $14 lang versus $20 pag hindi ka member, a savings of $6. And D3K2 naman, ang ating sunlight vitamin and at the same time for immune support at saka sa weight management for only $8.50 ang members price and retail price $14, no? Ayan. Babalikan ko yung ultra magnesium. Alam niyo po bang napakamahal yan? Nasa magkano? 1,000 plus pag kinumpare mo sa iba. Dito sa amin, I think sabi ni Ben nasa $60 to $80 ang per bottle, no? Ayan. So ngayon, no, sa Live Good, kahit na affordable siya, I don't want to say na cheap yung products natin. It's affordable, non-MLM price. Okay? Mas magandang gamitin niyo yun. Affordable and non-MLM price. Okay? Hindi porke affordable, ibig sabihin nagsasuffer yung quality. No, with Live Good, uulitin ko, highest quality, lowest price. Yan. Okay, eto. Comparison natin ulit, no? Members price and retail price. Meron tayong nakapack, $89.95 versus $130. A savings of $40. Ilang products yan? 6 products. Laging ine-example ni Ben during the corporate team, no? Corporate Zoom call. Isang product lang, $99. Kinukumpara niya dito sa 6 na product. Nakita niyo sa Amazon, may isang product, parang ano yun, dito, isang product parang super green siya, no? $99.95. Isang product lang yun, ha? So tayo, we have the International Wellness Pack for only $89 pag member ka. Pag retail, mura pa rin, $130. And very powerful yan. Yung 6 na products na yan, binanggit na natin yan kanina, except the Factor 4 and the Super Reds. Super Reds for cardiovascular health. Nako po, napakaganda po nito sa ating mga puso, no? Yan, and Factor 4, this one, talagang super love ko to. Anti-inflammatory, anti-inflammation product. Ito lang yung product in the market na pinagsama-sama ang 4 na anti-inflammatory ingredients. Usually, binibili mo yan isa-isa. Bibili ka ng fish oil, isa bibili ka ng turmeric, isa bibili ka ng garlic, isa bibili ka ng Q10. But with our Factor 4, pinagsama-sama yung 4 powerful anti-inflammatory ingredients. So, for anti-inflammation to, lahat ng sakit nang galing sa inflammation at hindi natin nakikita to dahil nasa loob ng katawan natin. So, ito po, kung nakakaramdam kayo ng sakit-sakit at feeling nyo may inflammation sa katawan nyo, go for this one. And the International Wellness Pack, free shipping po siya. So if you want to experience the product, and of course, kailangan, it is a must that you have to be the product of the product, go for the International Wellness Pack, go for the members price na $89.95. Yan. Now, how to become a Live Good member? Nakita nyo naman, per product, nag-average ng $5 to $8 savings. Yung isang wellness products, $40 ang savings. To become a Live Good member, it's so easy. Register with your sponsors link. Pay $9.95 per month. Pag gusto mong tapusin na yung membership mo for 1 year, pay it $99.95. Meron kang 20% discount. Ibig sabihin nun, yung 2 months mo, libre na. right? Kesa magbabayad ka monthly, 9.95 times 12, 120. Pag binayaran mo one time, 99.95, tapos na ang 1-year membership mo. And one benefit, you buy the products at wholesale price or members price. O, diba? Napakaganda. Okay, so done na tayo sa first part ng presentation. Ngayon, we'll go to the second part. Ayan. So, ano ang meron sa second part? Alam niyo po ba na ang ating Live Good membership, merong affiliate program na naka-attach? So, ibig sabihin nun, kung merong naka-attach na affiliate program, merong kitaan. Ibig sabihin nun, meron tayong negosyo. Now, with this affiliate program, everyone can have the opportunity to earn up to $2,000 or more per month. Sino ang may gustong kumita ng ganyan? $2,000 or more per month, no? Yan, so for those who are interested, very welcome po kayo na magstay at napaka-importante na mag-stay po kayo. Why? Kasi ang pag-uusapan natin dito, negosyo. So, be in the, have an entrepreneurial spirit. So, dapat ang utak nyo po dito, utak negosyante, no? Yan, so welcome to the second part of the presentation. Salamat po sa mga sumagot, Ma'am Juvie, Ma'am Eden, Ma'am Myra. Ayan, of course, at sa mga, sino pa? Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's go to the second part. Ayan. Okay, syempre, if you want to participate in the affiliate program, you have to be an affiliate member wherein you could be, you could participate in two ways. So first way, pwedeng $49.95, $40 one-time fee, and $9.95 yung first month na subscription mo. Right? Because we are a membership club company, remember? So pag membership club company tayo, meron tayong subscription every month kung hindi mo ginawa yung 1 year. So $49.95, 41 time, and $9.95 your first month. Ngayon, pwede mo namang tapusin yung 1-year membership mo, no? $99.95 plus one time $40. One time lang po itong $40, no? Kaya nakalagay dyan, one-time affiliate fee. One-time, lifetime, forever. Kung sa Love Life, walang forever. Dito, sa Live Good, my forever. Yung ating $40 one-time affiliate fee. Okay? Yan. So, malinaw. Two options yan, ano? I would say, highly suggest you go for the $139.95 para done na yung 1 year mo, discounted ka na, you focus on sharing the business. Okay? So, paano ba ang negosyo dyan? Before natin tanungin, alamin nyo muna kung ano yung mga benefits natin as an affiliate. Siyempre, number 1 dyan, access to membership club. Okay? So, yun yung may discounts ka sa mga products. Remember, ang ating Live Good membership and affiliate program, ganito yan, no? Pinaghiwalay ang product sa compensation plan. Kaya hindi tayo dependent kung nakakabenta tayo o hindi. So, hindi po required yun. Kasi we are being paid based on the membership, not sa products. Intindihin niyo po maigi yun, no? We are not being paid based sa product, kundi sa membership. Okay? Sana malinaw yun. Kaya wala tayong purchase requirement, wala tayong auto ships, wala tayong monthly purchase requirement. Yan. Okay, so as an affiliate member, access to membership club, wala tayong physical products. Bakit? Wow, kailangan nating mag-level up na kasi nasa digital era na tayo, no? So, ibig sabihin nun, walang physical products, we have digital marketing products. Dahil nga level up na rin tayo, online ang business natin, may sarili tayong portal, may sarili kang personalized website, no? So, ano yung digital marketing products? Meron kang 3 replicated website. Alam nyo ba na pag nagpagawa ka ng website, aabutin ka ng 50 to 100,000? Yung napakagandang website, baka umabot pa ng 200,000. No? But with Live Good, kasama na yon sa $49.95 mo or $139. Meron kang corporate site, meron kang retailing site, at meron kang landing page site or your franchising site. No? Yan, so corporate site, andyan yung price and yung retail price and members price. Yung retail site mo, yan yung dropshipping website mo. Yan yung kung I'm sure familiar ka sa Lazada. Para kang may sariling Lazada shop, may Shopee shop, Shopee, ayun, shopping, ano yun, retail site, no? Yon. So, drop shipping website mo yan sa LiveGood, no? Yan. Paano magpa-function yan? Ang retail site mo, very personalized. Kung meron kang mga friends, ayaw mag-member, natikman yung kape, masarap, saan in-order yan? Nako, sa retail site ko, lalagay ko lang, okay, shoplivegood.com/Eden Ardales. Okay, mare, mag-order ka dyan, add to cart, magbayad ka na, i-deliver ng LiveGood sa'yo. Convenience on your part, right? Dahil hindi ka namuhunan, hindi ka nag-deliver, pinadala mo lang siya, sinend mo lang siya, binigay mo lang yung link mo sa retail site mo. Ganun po kaganda. Siyempre, entitled ka sa retail commission. Ngayon, yung third replicated website mo, which is your Tourlink site or your franchising website, ito na ngayon yung most widely used natin. Itong Tourlink site, ito yung gagamitin mo when you want to share your business worldwide in 230 countries. So, kaya natin tinawag na franchising site kasi every person sa iba't ibang bansa, pag nag-member yan, para ng branch mo yan, para ng franchising. Franchise mo yan, di ba? Kasi it uses ang business natin, it uses the power of leverage, no? So, nagle-leverage ka sa bawat tao na pag-sharean mo ng business. So, ano ang power ng leverage? It multiplies your time through others. Literally, pwede kang kumikita kahit natutulog. Yon, no? So, if you learn the power of leverage, it will blow your mind. Kaya aralin niyo yung power of leverage. Yan ang meron sa LiveGood. Okay, we are in 230 countries. So, big sabihin, andyan kayo sa Philippines, andyan kami, andito kami sa Canada, natutulog na. Yan. So, ang apply namin si Coach Fernan, Coach Harold, habang, alam mo yon, habang tulog sila, later on sa gabi, no, kami gising. Ngayon, habang gising na, habang tulog naman kami, kayo gising dyan. So, ganun ang power of leverage. No? So, later on, pag talagang na-build na at establish na yung team mo, truly it will happen na you can earn while you sleep. Yun ang power ng leverage. Yun ang power ng business natin. So we get to third, we get to participate in the compensation plan. Very simple, doable, duplicatable, and very generous. So in my 20 years of experience, I mean, being in this industry, no? Ngayon lang ako nakakita ng ganitong ka-doable, ka-duplicatable, at saka very generous na compensation plan. I won't say that it is easy, but I would say it is doable. Yan. Okay? So, ang ating pay system, ang ating payout, pwedeng sa bangko mo. Kung halimbawang crypto player ka, meron kang crypto wallet, pwede sa yung crypto wallet. Or meron kang credit wallet sa loob mismo ng dashboard. Hindi na problema yan kung paano ipalit. Nako po, you could just get in touch with your upline or anybody na nangangailangan ng credit wallet, mai-encash ang commission mo. So, naka-ready yan, no? Very flexible ang ating payout system. Inaral na ni Ben yan. Ben is a genius. Yan, that's one thing for sure. And our compensation plan structure, powerful unilevel, and of course matrix, kung saan ang ating we have two genealogies, the unilevel and the matrix 3. Yung ating unilevel, we sponsor, doon nagbe-base ang ating rank and fast start commissions and matching bonuses and generational bonuses. And ang ating matrix 3 na 2x15, no? Doon naka-base yung ating matrix income. So ang matrix natin, 2x15, spots are filled from top to bottom, left to right on a first come, first serve basis. So hybrid yung ating team building structure. Hindi lang unilevel kung saan sponsor ka ng sponsor, ang nangyayari, hindi mo natutulungan yung team mo. So pag hindi mo natutulungan, syempre nagkakaroon ng attrition. So since hybrid siya, we earn in so many ways as well. We have actually 8 ways to earn. Weekly fast start, matching bonuses, matrix commission, retail commission, influencer bonuses, customer acquisition bonuses, diamond bonus pool, and crown diamond bonus pool. So ngayon, we will be giving emphasis sa 3 buckets, which is the weekly fast start, matching bonuses, and matrix commission. Ayan, so umpisa na tayo, no? Are you ready? Okay, so lend me your ears. Pakinggan nyo na po ito dahil napaka-importante to, no? Number 1, first way to earn is the quick money or fast start bonuses. Bakit fast start? Kasi po, weekly binibigay yan, no? So, paano mag-earn ang fast start bonuses? Paano ma-earn ang fast start bonus? So, the fast start bonus is a one-time $25 bonus from all new directs that join you and paid $49.95. So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng nag-join sa'yo, lahat ng nag-register sa'yo, you are given a fast start bonus of $25 one time. Example, ikaw po ito, 4 po yan na friends mo, na-excite ka, talagang shinare mo siya, and then nag-lock in sila, nag-register, then meron kang $25 each. So, ilan yan? 4, $100. Kailan mo makukuha? Next week. So, cut off ngayon. So, from last Friday hanggang ngayong gabi, no? Cut off ngayon. Next Thursday, matatanggap mo yung iyong fast start commission. So, from $49.95, 50% na agad ang fast start bonuses mo. Saan ka nakakita ng fast start na 50% ang binibigay? Do you know any company na merong 50% na commission, fast start? Let me know. Okay, so hindi lang dyan nag-uumpisa, hindi lang dyan nagtatapos ang ating fast start bonuses dahil up to 10 levels deep tayo. It can happen pag tayo ay na-promote. So meron tayong ranking sa Live Good. We start with the unranked and then first rank natin is bronze. So paano nagiging bronze? Very easy. You only need to share this with 2 of your favorite people in the planet, no? Pwedeng yung family mo, pwedeng yung best friend mo, or anybody na, syempre, interested. Mas maganda, no? Para mabilis ang duplication natin. So, if you share it with 2 people, so bronze ka na. Ano ang meron sa bronze? Na-open yung level 2 mo, no? Yan, so, ikaw, pag meron kang dinirect, may $25 ka. Ngayon, may na-sponsoran kang 2. Bronze ka na doon. Ngayon, yung 2 na yun, syempre, papayag ba naman na hindi mag-sponsor? Gagayahin ka nila. So, mag-i-sponsor din sila para meron silang $25. Ngayon, ikaw, hindi na ikaw nag-sponsor, but since bronze ka na, meron kang additional $5. Make sense, no? Yan. So, indirect sponsor. Pero, may $5 ka. Hindi na ikaw personally nag-sponsor, pero may $5 ka. Yan. So, depende yan sa rank mo. So, as you rank up, na-open yung level natin. Once you reach diamond hanggang level 10 na, so, syempre, nag-expand yan, di ba? Yan. So, up to level 10 na, 0.50 cents. Ayan. So, sa fast start bonuses, we can sponsor as many as we want, infinite wide. And again, 10 levels deep. So, nakadepende ang fast start bonus natin. Magkano yung fast start bonuses natin? Nakadepende sa rank. At syempre, kung ilang levels ka qualified. Okay? Yan. So, number 2, retirement money or matrix commission. So, ano ito, Janet? Remember the matrix 3? Kanina, di ba sinabi natin may enroller 3 at matrix 3. So, mag-focus tayo sa matrix 3. Yung 2x15, no? Mag-uumpisa yan sa 2x12 kasi nga unranked ka. Ngayon, lahat tayo may sariling matrix. We are in a big matrix, but we have our individual matrix, right? So, dito sa matrix commission, paano yan? Ikaw yung nasa itaas. So, you have your team, di ba? Sabi nga, if you have a dream, you have to build a team. So, habang nagbi-build ka ng team mo, syempre, saan papasok yan? Sa matrix 3 mo. Lahat ng nagbabayad ng 9.95 na papasok sa matrix mo, whether galing sa'yo o hindi, you are given 0.25 cents. Or, magkano yan? 13 pesos, no? Yan. So, bakit sinabi ko manggaling sa'yo or hindi? Kasi it is possible na pwedeng malagyan ang matrix mo nang gagaling sa itaas, coming from your enroller tree. No? Ayan. So, meaning, yung sponsor mo, whether direct or indirect. So, yung inisponsoran niya na possible na cross-line mo pa, pwedeng mapunta sa matrix mo. So, ang tawag doon is spillover. No? So, ngayon, how do I define spillover? Spillover are bonuses. It could be a hit, it could be a miss. Ibig sabihin, pag ang napunta sa matrix mo ay builder, meaning yung humahataw at nagbe-build, then mabilis mapuno yung matrix mo. Pag ang napunta sa matrix mo ay waiter, meaning nag-aantay din ng malalagay sa matrix niya, then mabagal ang matrix mo. Actually, the matrix tree or this matrix commission, ito yung slowest way to build a business. Sa Live Good, dalawang way ang pag-build mo ng business, the slow way or the fast way. Andito ang slow way. But again, it could be a bonus. Gaya ng nangyari kay Sir Freddy Bombales. Siya yung, alam ko na very concrete example ko nung nakita ko yung kanyang matrix, no? So, I think bronze siya. Bronze or unranked, no? So, ang sponsor niya si Coach Harold. Si Coach Harold nag-build, di ba? Ngayon, ang napunta sa matrix niya, yung group ni Coach Santi, no? Yan. So, syempre builder si Coach Santi, no? Yan. So, lumaki. Ngayon, nag-sponsor ulit si Coach Harold. Direct upline ko si Coach Harold. Nahulog siya ulit sa matrix ni Sir Freddy, no? So, sa right naman, dun sa part ng right side niya. So, balance. Yun yung sinasabi ko na bonus, no? Dahil ang napunta sa matrix niya na left, builder, napunta sa right niya, builder. So, last month, sabi niya, ang kanyang matrix income is $800. So, not everyone will have that kasi nga, uulitin ko, ang spillover is just a bonus. Ngayon, pag nakikita mo na wala kang spillover, ito ang technique. Ikaw ang mag-create ng spillover para mas mabilis yung matrix mo. And do not stop until makita mo yung 5 black horses mo para mabilis mapuno yung matrix mo. Ganon ang technique po doon. Okay? Ayan. Uulitin ko ha, ang spillover are bonuses. Yan. So para kang tumaya sa loto, pwedeng manalo ka ng free play o pwedeng manalo ka ng malaki. Ganun po yun para mas maintindihan nyo. Hindi po guaranteed, depende kung sino mahulog sa matrix mo. Okay? Yan. So ganito itsura matrix. First level, 2. Second level, 4. Third level, 8. So power of 2 tayo until such time na makompleto yan. Okay? So ito yung ating how do you call it, potential income ng matrix. Depende sa level natin. So, pag unrank ka, level 1 to 12, ito yung potential income in full matrix. Ibig sabihin, pag puno lahat ng butas, okay? 2,047. Potential income, meaning possibility. When you say potential, it is a possibility. Yung posibilidad na kikitain mo. Okay? Pag napuno yung matrix, ibig sabihin, perfect nang puno yung matrix mo. And then, pag bronze and silver ka, level 13, 4,095.50. Gold and platinum, 8,191.50. And then, diamond, level 15, 16,383.50. Again, ito yung potential income pag puno ang matrix. Janet, kailan mangyayari yan? We don't know kasi hindi natin alam how the system works. The good thing about it is, kaya nga tinawag na retirement income because it will develop over time. So yun ang iintindihin nyo sa matrix commission. Again, do not focus in this because this one will develop over time. Kung ikaw nagnegosyo, anong gusto mo? Di ba gusto mo gawin agad, gusto mong kumita agad, right? So let us focus on the fast way to do the business. So paano yan? That is the matching bonuses. Ito na yung pinaka-heart ng compensation plan and we call it the wealthy money because the matching bonus is a monthly bonus of 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Meaning, ikaw yung nasa itaas, may sarili kang matrix. sila may sarili ding matrix. Sa matching bonuses, ang sinasabi dito, lahat ng direct mo, no? Lahat ng direct mo, ang sabi ni company, okay, sa matching bonus, tatapatan namin ang 50% ng matrix income ng direct mo. Ganon po yon. Okay, to illustrate that further, ganito yan. Sa apat, yung apat na inisponsoran mo, may sarili kang matrix, sila din may sariling matrix. Humataw ngayon si First Direct, naka $1,000 matrix income siya. Okay? So sa $1,000 matrix income, ano ang sabi ni LiveGood? Tatapatan namin ang 50% ng matrix income ng yung direct. Okay, so $1,000, ilan ang 50% niyan? $500 tinapatan. Kaya nga match, tapat. Hindi yung match na paparisan, no? Tatapatan. Okay, so 50% ng $1,000, $500. Okay, $500, ilan ang 50% niyan? Sa dalawa. Pangalawang direct mo, $250. Sa third direct mo, $100, ilan ang 50% niyan? $50. Sa fourth direct mo, ilan ang matrix commission niya? $200, 50%, $100. And so on and so forth. Kaya masarap ang mag-share ng business kasi na-open ang gateway mo for the matching bonuses. Kung ikaw ay pumasok sa LiveGood at wala kang balak mag-share, wala tayong pag-uusapan na matching bonuses because this is good for those affiliates who will share the business. Okay? So, infinite wide, unlimited, limitless. So, ibig sabihin, every direct, regardless kung ano ang amount, wala tayong capping. Eh, paano, Janet? Pag dalawa lang yung ang matrix income lang niya is $1. O ilan ang 50% nun? 50 cents. Ibibigay pa rin ba ni company? Of course, yun ang usapan, di ba? Yun ang sabi niya. Wala tayong capping. Wala yung, dapat maka $10 ka muna bago mo makuha yung matching ball. Wala nga pong ganon. No matter or no, kung ilan yung amount, kahit na $1, kahit pa 50 cents, hahatiin pa rin yan, 0.25 cents. Ganon ka-honest, ka-transparent, kaganda yung ating matching bonuses. Pero hindi pa nagtatapos dyan dahil meron tayong generational matching bonuses. Paano yan? Nag-uumpisa yan when you become a silver or when you rank up to silver. No? So remember, sa matching bonuses, every direct may 50% ka. Ngayon, pag nag-silver ka, meron kang 10% additional na tinatawag na generational bonus. Generation, buong angkan. Huwag kayong mag-confuse sa level. Matching bonuses is to, levels is to matching, level is to matrix income, matching bonuses, generational bonuses is to the matching, no? Bonus. So, ganito yan. Pag silver ka, 10%, buong henerasyon, buong angkan. Pag gold ka, additional 5%. Pag platinum ka, additional 5%. On top dun sa 50%, ha? And then pag diamond ka, 3%. Up to 5 generations. So meaning, binabayaran ka multiple times dito sa matching and generational bonuses. No? Yan, up to 5th generation. So, pag diamond ka, you're being paid 50% from your direct, silver at 10% from all silvers sa buong generation, gold 5%, platinum 5%, and diamond 3%. Uulitin ko yan, buong angkan. Yun na yung pinaka layman's term na alam kong the easiest way to discuss this generational bonus, hindi per tao, buong henerasyon. Buong silver, buong gold, buong platinum. So, pag makikita mo, sa mga naka-experience na, makikita nyo dyan, nasa back office lahat, up to the last cent, babayaran ka kung magkano man yung payout or compensation na para sa'yo. Ganun kaganda ang matching and generational bonuses. O, diba? So, if you really want to have a life-changing income, focus on sharing the business para you could have the matching and generational bonuses. Okay? So ganito lang yan. Napakasimpleng explain. Ang matrix income will help you pay your bills, but the matching and generational bonuses will change your life. So, anong gusto mo? Pambayad lang ng bills o makapagbago ng buhay mo? Hindi na, di ba? Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Uulitin ko ulit. Di ba? Yan. So, focus on the matching and generational bonuses. Retail commission, madali na lang yan. So, lahat ng mga pinapunta mo sa retail site mo, remember? Yan, merong entitled ka sa retail commission. Yan, difference lang ng members price at retail price. Kung ano yung difference, paghahatian nyo ni Live Good. Ayan, 10 levels tip 10. Depende sa rank po natin. And rank, bronze, silver, gold, platinum, or diamond. Yan. Influencer bonuses, if you are promoting products in your social media account, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever social media you have, then entitled ka sa influencer bonuses is starting from 2,500 na retail sales mo per month up to $50,000. Yan. So additional commission yan on top of the 50%. So pag may $50,000 ka, that's 50 dahil meron ka ng 50% plus 50, making it 100% influencer bonuses. And customer acquisition bonuses, pag first order ng yung direct, entitled ka sa 10% of that order na tinatawag nating CAB or customer acquisition bonuses. Okay? Ayan. And then up to 10 levels tip din yan, no? Ayan. So only on the first purchase. So kung tutuusin, di ba sabi natin, we don't earn from the purchase of ng mga downlines natin. The purchase from the purchase of our downlines. But napaka-generous ni Live Good dahil sa first purchase, binigay niya sa atin para may pandagdag doon sa fast start commission natin. Yan. It is also given weekly. Kaya kung may makikita kayo na CAB or retail, and sa yung makikita nyo na customer acquisition bonuses dyan sa back office, then ayan po. Sa mga first time na bibili, kahit na, halimbawa, paano yun? 6 months na siyang nag-register, pero hindi pa siya bumili. O, di wala ka pang CAB. Ngayon, after 6 months, saka siya bumili ng product, then, entitled ka pa rin sa customer acquisition bonus. Yan. Okay, piece of the pie money. Ito na yung very exciting dahil ito naman ang talagang gusto natin. This is where we all want to be, the diamond bonus pool, di ba? Gusto natin magkaroon ng ganyan. Once na we become diamond or we rank up to the diamond rank, we are a profit sharer. So we get to share the piece of the pie. Kaya tinawag na piece of the pie money. So, paano kino-compute yan? So, yung total sales based from products and membership, kukunin yung 2%. Yung 2% nun, paghahatian ng mga diamonds sa Live Good equally. Okay? So, the good news is, ito yung future ng diamond na darating yung time, no? Na ang diamond bonus pool alone, average diamond bonus pool will be $10,000 each. Diba? O, diba? Nakaka-excite. Now, syempre, it will come, diba? Yan. So, stick around. Do not fall from your matrix. Nako po, you have to, stay with Live Good kasi Ben is genius. Hindi nyo pa alam what's coming on the second wave, di ba? Basta tayo, for expansion, talagang we're for scalability. Talagang, nakaabang, naka-ready ang ating system for expansion and scalability. Ay, nako po. Di ba? Na-excite ba kayo? Andiyan pa ba kayo? Are you excited hearing all this information, no? Ayan. Okay. Yeah, keep on sharing. Yes, do not stop sharing Live Good. If you will understand the value of Live Good, ako, hindi ka talaga mag-i-stop mag-share. What created Live Good, a revolution, is what? It's value. Value for money, value para saan? Value for your health, no? Yan. So, what created Live Good, a revolution? It's the value. Yan, tatandaan nyo yan lagi. Okay? Overload na ang mind mo, ma'am? Overloaded ba? Too much info na? Ayan, okay. So, exciting, di ba? Let's all be diamond. Okay. So, syempre, we also have the Crown Diamond bonus pool. So, dalawa pa lang ang ating Crown Diamond, right? So, meron namang 0.5% of total sales from all members and product sales. Syempre, divided yan among all Crown Diamonds. And we know that there are only 2 Crown Diamonds, di ba? We have Tim Miller, the first Crown Diamond in Live Good. And of course, our very own Crown Diamond leader, Coach Fernan Santiago, di ba? The first Crown Diamond in the Philippines and second worldwide. Oh, di ba? Yan, so example niyan, 15 million. Kunin mo yung 0.5%, 75,000 divided by 2. Oh, yun na. $37,500 on top of their fast start, matrix commission, matching bonuses, yung generation bonuses, retail commission. Naku po. Woo. Ayan, hindi nga po nag-stop si Coach Fernan. Tayo pa, habulin natin. Right, di ba? Ayan. Have to learn po the difference between generation and levels. Have to listen po. Yes, you have to listen po. Ayan. Linawin nyo lang po yung matrix 3 at saka yung enroller 3. Ganun po. So, ang matrix income, matrix 3 yan. Di ba? Yan. So, by level. So, yung ating matching bonuses by generation. So, yung personally enrolled mo, yun yung tinatawag na, yung directly sponsored mo, yun yung personally enrolled. Yung inisponsoran ng direct mo, yun yung first generation mo. Ganon. So, makikita nyo naman yan sa back office ninyo. Right? Yan. Okay. So, ito na. Yan. I'm almost done. Nako, top 5 reasons to join. We just officially launched, no? Napaka. Aga pa natin. Walang magkikwit sa Live Good. Okay? We just officially launched. Nakita nyo yung numbers ni Amazon, ni Netflix, ni Costco? Pag-quit ka na ngayon, ibig sabihin lang, hindi ka naka-align sa mission ng Live Good. Ganun lang siya kasimple. Again, depende yan sa intention mo. So, hanapin mo kung ano yung intention mo, bakit mo ginagawa ang Live Good. Is it for the mission? Is it for the vision? Or is it just for money? If it's just for the money, then I'm sorry, talagang bibitaw ka sa Live Good. But if your intention is mission-driven ka at vision-driven ka, then you will stay with Live Good. Yan ang ma-assure ko sa iyo. Di ba? At saka, alam niyo po, 1.3 million members, napaka-liit pa niyan. Nakita niyo ang numbers na mapinakita ko, right? 30 million, 40 million, 200 million members. Nasaan ka after 5 years? Ayan, number 2, high quality and very affordable products. Sinabi ko na po yung ating edge, highest quality, lowest price products. Hindi mo dapat ikahiya yung mga product dahil products natin dahil merong certificate of analysis. Yes, Live Good forever, sabi ni Ma'am Eden. Right. Okay, number 3, we have the marketing system, tools, and training. Very powerful ang ating marketing system. Tools, andyan na lahat. You have your back office. Pag-aralan mo, after na nag-register ka, pag-aralan mo. Kung hindi ka pa familiar ngayon, nako po, which I know, maraming hindi pa nag-explore ng back office, aralin nyo na po. Dahil you cannot share what you don't learn, what you did not learn. You cannot share, you have nothing to share kung hindi mo inaral, right? And training, ayan, paulit-ulit, kahit tingin nyo parang radyo na, itong presentation, that's okay. Diyan kayo matututo. Repetition is the mother of all skills. Repetition is the mother of all learning. So, okay lang. Attendan nyo lahat ng mga presenters dahil kanya-kanyang atake po yan. But for sure, may matututunan po kayo. No? We are not being put here or hindi kami nilagay dito sa Speakers Bureau kung hindi namin alam ang mga sinasabi po namin. Magkakaiba lang po kami mag-present, but rest assured that we are focused, rest assured that we are giving you the best information na kaya naming ibigay. Okay? Ayan, Zoom trainings, ang dami dyan, Monday to Saturday, leaders training, members training, ano pa, new affiliates training, everyday training, 2 sets. Ngayon, andyan po kayo, umaga. Mamaya, merong 2 set uli kay Coach Mon and Coach Fernan, di ba? Yan, so aralin po natin. If you really want to thrive, then learn the business. We are not only here to survive, but to thrive. Thrive. Mamamayagpag po tayo dito, no? Yan. Okay. And plus, Saturday training with Tim Miller. Meron tayong mga international training with the international leaders na hindi naman po nila pinagdadamot, no? Yan. Okay, so top reason, number 4 reason to join, a very simple, powerful, and lucrative pay plan. Nakita nyo naman, very simple, powerful, and generous. So aralin lang po natin. Kung medyo nalilito po kayo, that's okay. There's always a first time. Pero pwede po ninyong aralin paulit-ulit hanggang ma-perfect po natin. And ito, get ready, be in front of the wave. Ito na yung second wave. Live Good 2.0, launching soon, no? New funnel system and co-op. Naku po, ayoko pong magbigay ng information dahil ayoko pong i-preempt, ayoko ding mag-assume. But this will be very powerful. So, ano ang maganda dito? Be proactive, not reactive. Be in front of the wave because we are in a solid ground. Ngayon pa lang, wag nyo nang antayin na, antayin ko muna yung new funnel system. Wag na po. Be in front of the wave. Build your team right here, right now. Get things done. Ayan. Okay, number 5. Successful, fun, and winning team. Pasensya na po ha kung talagang napaka-excited ako and talagang very forceful yung presentation or pag andito na tayo kasi talagang gusto ko pong mapansin nyo. I want to get your attention that you really have to get things done and take massive action. Okay? Okay, number 5, we have a successful, fun, and winning team. That is our international team. At syempre, ang ating Philippine team, ang ating DMW team. Ito na po. Ayan. So, we are here to help each other, to support each other, to empower each other. So, let's be kind, let's be passionate, let's empower each other. No? Regardless kung anong team, alam ko po may kakaibang team, pero dito, team po tayo lahat. No? Together, everyone achieves more. Yan. Now, do I still have to ask if you're an A, B, or C? Wag na. I would highly recommend na A ka para ma-maximize mo ang ating negosyo. Yan. And in order for you to thrive sa business natin, start with the right mindset. Mentally, dapat prepared ka. Psychological readiness or your mental preparation. Be positive. Number 1, believe in yourself. Hayaan mo na yung fear and doubts, no? Wag, yung fear and doubts mo na yan, yun ang mag-hold back sa'yo sa success mo. So ngayon pa lang, hihilingin ko na sa'yo na maniwala ka sa sarili mo dahil kung hindi ka maniniwala, sino pa ang maniniwala? Right? So start believing in yourself, know your whys, you create your whys, kasi pag na-create mo yung why mo, malalim yung why mo, mas malalim, no? Mas madali mong gawin ang live good. Hindi ka kaagad susuko, hindi ka kaagad bitaw dahil mas malalim yung why mo kesa yung rejection sa matatanggap. Right? Okay, so know your whys, create a sense of urgency. Ano yung urgent sa'yo ngayon? Retirement? Magbayad ng utang for your family? Building a legacy? So dapat gano'n na parang ang feeling mo, you're running out of time. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng sense of urgency. Ako, malapit na akong mag-retire. Nako, kailangan ko ng bayaran to or else. Yung mga ganon, you create your own sense of urgency. Set your goals. Kailan ka mag-bronze? Bronze, hindi na pinag-iisipan yan. Right here, right now, pwede kang mag-bronze, right? Kailan ka mag-silver, kailan ka mag-gold, kailan ka mag-platinum. Janet, kailan ka mag-diamond. Yan, so, yan. I-goal natin yan. Go for the run for 90 days. Pag hindi natin nakuha ng 90 days, go for another 90 days, no? Yan. Burning desire. Dapat lagi tayong excited. Yung energy nyo, hindi dapat bumababa. No? Dapat laging excited. You can only be excited when you know your business. And commitment, Of course, whatever it takes, I will do live good. Kahit na ma-reject ako, okay lang because rejection can be your ultimate motivator. No? Yan. So pag na-reject ka, mas lalong kailangan mong i-prove sa sarili mo, i-prove sa kanila that you are in the right place. And it's true, you're in the right place at the right time. The question is, are you the right person for Live Good? No? Anyone is for Live Good, anybody is for Live Good, but not everybody is for Live Good. Ang Live Good ay para sa mga taong mission-driven, vision-driven, at saka syempre may intention na mag-share, may intention na tumulong sa mga tao. Okay? We are a company with integrity, with all honesty, and yes, Live Good is the future. Yan. So never listen to negative people. Ikaw ang nakarinig ng presentation na to. Ikaw ang nakarinig ng opportunity ito. So, ikaw ang mag-decide. And you can only decide when you understand the presentation and when you are clear on what you want. So, clarity and self-awareness, first and foremost. No? Dapat malinaw sa'yo, ano ba ang gusto mo? Ano ba ang gusto mong gawin sa Live Good? Paano mo ba tinitignan si Live Good? Ano si Live Good sa'yo? Dapat malinaw yan. And of course, your intention. Okay? Yan. So, I'm almost done. Ang mantra natin sa Live Good, roadmap to success sa Live Good, follow the GPS. Get in, plug in, stay in. So, kung naka-get in na kayo, plug into the Zoom, plug into the trainings, plug in to develop yourself. Napaka-importante yan. Pag nag-sponsor ka, leader ka na. And when you become a leader, accountable ka sa sarili mo, you are responsible to your team, develop a skill. At paano ka magde-develop ng skill? Attend trainings. And be coachable, be willing, and be hungry. Okay, hungry for success, hungry to share the mission, hungry to help people. Yan, okay? So dapat magkakasama yun ha. Hindi pwedeng willing lang, hindi pwedeng coachable lang, hindi pwedeng hungry lang. Dapat magkasama. Willing ka, coachable ka, at hungry ka. Okay, and stay in, pay your subscription. Napaka-crucial itong plug-in. Very important, very crucial. So once you plug in, staying in would be easy. Pag hindi ka naka-plug in, staying in is a burden. Staying in is an expense, no? Yan. So plug in, and plug in. Napaka-importante yan. So thank you. Get back with the person that invited you and let them know you are an A. Huwag ng B, huwag ng C. Okay, so thank you so much. I hope I have shared value to you sa presentation na to. And syempre, you have 3 things to do. Get things done, take action, massive action, and number 3, do not sleep until you win it. Hindi ko po sinasabing don't take that literally, you know. So what I mean is do not stop, do not give up on your dreams until you win, because people will not care about your story until you win. So you have to win. Okay, so maraming salamat po. This is your Coach Janet saying thank you and see you at the top. Let's all run for diamond. Ayan. Okay. So, I'm done.